Discord login not working on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve the Discord login not working on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're not being able to log into the Discord app on Android, chances are it could also be your Discord app issue. So I would recommend you long press the Discord app icon on Android, tap the I button to come to its app information page, and once you come to the app info page, go to storage, clear cache, and make sure to clear the data as well. Once you've done that, check if your internet connection is working just fine and update your Discord app to the latest version. If you see an update button there on your Play Store, update it. Now open it up, and if it's still not letting you log in, then the only chance that I can see over here is that your credentials are incorrect. So go to the login page and just tap on forgot your password button that you can find over there. Once you tap on forgot your password, Discord will send you an email which you can use to reset your password. So you can open up your email on the email address that you try to reset with, then you can say password reset, then tap on reset password, and then you'll be able to reset your password on Discord. This way you can go ahead and then fix the Discord login error on Android. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.